apart again. The 5 minutes that it takes to fill this up is almost complete. See the bubbles? That means that I've got as much hydrogen as I'm going to be able to get, because the 1 liter bottle inside of that big bottle is full, so it's the bubbles, the hydrogen is going out the bottom of the bottle, coming straight up into the water reserve displacement area. So I'll turn off the electrolysis, turn off the valve for the hydrogen, get my torch. Oh, it's starting to whistle. Catch some bubbles. Oh no, where's my... I'm not going to have enough time. Okay, there's a little bit of a flame there. Isn't that cool? This flame's actually hot enough to melt metal, but mine doesn't last long enough to do that. Okay, that was better.